The terms diet and nutrition often get conflated or are misunderstood. Nutrition is the branch of science that interprets the nutrients and other substances in food in relation to maintenance, growth, reproduction, health, and disease of an organism. It includes food intake, absorption, assimilation, biosynthesis, catabolism, and excretion. Diet, on the other hand, is the sum of food consumed by a person or other organism. When most people think of the word diet, they think of restricting, reducing, or eliminating certain foods and drinks from their daily life, but that is not an accurate definition of the word diet. Whether a person makes good or bad food choices, these things make up their diet. Once a person has changed their diet, they then can begin to look at improving their overall nutrition. Dietary habits and choices play a significant role in the quality of life, health, and longevity. Diet and nutrition need to work together for people to improve their health and their lives.